Hello everyone, my name is Rafi Danasa and today I will explain the difference between SAW and TOPSIS method in decision support system. Before we start, what is the decision support system? A decision support system or DSS is a system that helps people make better decisions when there are many choices and many criteria to consider. For example, choosing the best smartphone, the best laptop, the best employer, the best scholarship student. Sometimes choosing the best option is difficult because every choice has advantage and disadvantage. That's its why method like SAW and TOPSIS are used. First, let's talk about SAW. SAW stands for simple additive weighting. This method is one of the simplest and more popular method in decision support system. The concept of SAW is very simple. Every alternative gets scored from several criteria, then the score are multiplied by weight and added together. For example, imagine we want to buy a smartphone. The criteria could be price, performance, battery, and camera quality. Every criterion has a different important level. For example, performance may be more important than camera quality. After giving weight and scored, the system calculated the total value. Smartphone with the biggest score becomes the best choice. The step in SAW are determine the alternative, determine the criteria, give weight to the criteria, normalize the values, multiply score by weight, adding all the result, choose the highest score. So it's very easy to understand and easy to calculate. That is why many beginners use this method. However, SAW also has weakness. Sometimes SAW is less accurate for complex problems because it only focuses on total score. It also depends heavily on the weight given by the user. Now let's move to TOPSIS. TOPSIS stands for techniques for order, preferred by similar to ideal solution. Compare the SAW. TOPSIS is more analytic and more detailed. The concept is TOPSIS is finding the alternative that yes closer the ideal solution and fastest from the worst solution. In TOPSIS, there are two important concepts: positive ideal solution or PIS and negative ideal solution or NIS. Positive ideal solution means the best possible condition. For example, low price, high performance, good camera, and long battery life. Meanwhile, negative ideal solution means the worst possible condition. TOPSIS compares every alternative with those two conditions. The steps in TOPSIS are: determine alternative and criteria, create the decision matrix, normalize the matrix, multiply by weight, determine positive ideal solution, determine negative ideal solution, calculate the distance to both solutions, calculate preferred values, rank the alternative. TOPSIS is more complex than SAW because it uses decision calculate, but because of that, TOPSIS is often considered more accurate for complicated decisions. Now let's compare SAW and TOPSIS. For the concept side, SAW uses total weight score, while TOPSIS compare alternative with ideal and worst condition. From the complexity side, SAW is easier and fastest. TOPSIS need more calculation and more steps. From the accurate side, SAW in good simple problem, while the TOPSIS is better for more decision making. For the SAW is simple, fast, easy to understand, and beginner friendly. Meanwhile, TOPSIS is more realistic, more detailed, and better complex analysis. Perfectness, so my product lets accurate results for this problem. TOPSIS is more useful for beginner because the calculated process is longer. So which method is better? Actually, which is not perfect method. If you want quick, the simple calculated so is good choice. But if you want deeper analysis and more accurate recommendation, TOPSIS might be the better option. Both the methods are very useful in decision support system and are widely used the many fields such as education, business, technology, and management. So today we learned that so a simple, fast, TOPSIS, and more analytical, and the best method depend on the situation and the problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.